guys, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm bringing you another traditional recipe from Cuba called Arroz con leche. It's a Cuban style rice pudding. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my recipes. So let's get started. For the ingredients, I'm using 2 cups of short grain rice, 1 can of evaporated milk, about 12 ounces. I'm using 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces. And I'm not using any sugar in this recipe, but if you want to use sugar, you can use a half a cup of sugar and a half a can of condensed milk. I'm also using 1 cup of regular milk. I'm using cinnamon stick, and as you can see, I'm running out of cinnamon sticks, but I'm using 1 cinnamon stick for this recipe. I'm using lemon peel, but you can use lime peel if you prefer. 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. The first thing you want to do is rinse your rice. Then you're going to add in 3 cups of water to a large pot and add in your lemon peel and your cinnamon stick. Along with that, you're going to add in 2 cups of washed rice. You're going to stir everything together and you're going to bring your flame to a medium-low. You want your water to start to boil, and I'm adding a pinch of salt. That is to basically enhance the sweetness when I add in the condensed milk. And I'm going to let the water boil until it absorbs. Once your water has completely absorbed, that's about 25 minutes, then you're going to add in 1 cup of milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You're going to stir everything together completely, and then you're going to lower your flame from a medium-low to a low. And at this point, you want to cook your rice for about an additional 30 minutes. And you're going to cover it up. In between, you're going to stir every 15 minutes so that the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Because the last thing you want to do is burn your rice. So now I'm stirring, and it's been 30 minutes. So now I'm going to check my rice one more time. And I'm going to stir it one more time just to make sure everything is loosened at the bottom. And then I'm going to start serving my arroz con leche. So you can serve this in anything that you want, any kind of container. I'm using 2 glasses, and I have quite a bit, so I'm going to put them in little ramekins and maybe 1 big baking tray. And to top it off, you want to add some cinnamon on top because that's the best way to eat it, and it's the Cuban way. So, of course, you know, once I serve this, I have to try a little bit just to taste it to let you guys know what it tastes like. So I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon on top. And you don't have to go crazy with the cinnamon, just add a little bit. And now here comes the taste test. This is the best part. Look how creamy it is. Nice, thick, and creamy. And it's delicious. So of course I have to go for another spoonful. Well guys, I hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think. After you finish watching this video, be sure to check out my latest 2 videos for coconut flan and panetela. Well, it's been nice, and I thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.